Think you know American history. What if I told you the United States wasn't always just the United States? Before the 50 states we know today, entire countries existed right here on American soil. Some lasted centuries, some only a few years. Today, we're going to test your knowledge. Can you identify America's forgotten countries? Riddle 1. This vast French colony stretched from the Mississippi River to the Rocky Mountains and was sold to the U.S. in 1803. Can you guess its name? It's Louisiana. The French Louisiana. Fun fact: the Louisiana Purchase doubled the size of the U.S. overnight for about 4 cents an acre. Riddle 2. This former republic existed from 1836 to 1845, complete with its own army and navy, before joining the United States. What was it? It's the Republic of Texas. Fun fact: Texas is the only state that can legally fly its flag at the same height as the U.S. flag. Riddle 3. Before becoming one of the 50 states, this Pacific kingdom was ruled by monarchs like King Kamehameha. Do you know it? It's the Kingdom of Hawaii. Fun fact: Hawaii remained an independent kingdom until 1893, when the monarchy was overthrown. Riddle 4. This Native American confederacy, also called the Haudenosaunee, united multiple tribes and was one of the strongest political alliances in North America. Can you name it? It's the Iroquois Confederacy. Fun fact: the U.S. Constitution was partly inspired by the Iroquois Confederacy's democratic system. Riddle 5. This Dutch colony controlled parts of present-day New York and New Jersey until the British took over in 1664. What was it called? It's New Netherland. Fun fact: its capital, New Amsterdam, later became New York City. Riddle 6. This breakaway republic lasted less than a month in 1846 in what is now California. Can you name it? It's the California Republic, also known as Bear Flag Republic. Fun fact: its flag, with the bear and star, inspired today's California state flag. Riddle 7. This British colony stretched along the Atlantic coast and declared independence in 1776. What was it called? It's the 13 Colonies. Fun fact: they later became the first 13 states of the United States. Riddle 8. This independent country was created by Spanish settlers in 1810 in what is now Louisiana, but lasted only 74 days. Do you know it? It's the Republic of West Florida. Fun fact: its Lone Star flag inspired the later flag of Texas. Riddle 9. This Spanish territory covered much of the American Southwest, including New Mexico and California, before the U.S. annexed it after the Mexican-American War. What was it? It's New Spain, Mexican territory. Fun fact: the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo in 1848 gave the U.S. control of this land. Riddle 10. This independent country declared itself free from Mexico in 1836, but was soon annexed by the U.S. in 1845. What is it? It's the Vermont Republic. Fun fact: Vermont was actually its own republic from 1777 to 1791, before joining as the 14th state. So, how many of these forgotten nations did you know? Were you surprised by any of them? Drop your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden USA riddles.